Praise Lord, dear family. Hope everyone is in the best of health and spirits. A small testimony for the glory of God and for increase in faith of all of us. Few years ago, I used to work in Mumbai. So, on a particular year, I had taken leave to go to Hyderabad and spend Christmas time with my family. So on 24th night, I started from Mumbai because I had a lot of other obligations. I could not travel by train and I have to go by flight because I have to reach 25th morning with my family and some guests have come from abroad. So my flight was at 9:20 p.m. That was the last flight which was available from Mumbai to Hyderabad. So, but due to some obligations, I got delayed in office, and I started at 7 o'clock from office directly to airport. Usually it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I thought, as I started at 7 o'clock, I can reach airport at 8 o'clock, at least 1 hour 15 minutes in advance, so that I can catch the flight. But unfortunately that day there was some procession going on and the roads were blocked. So it was about 8 o'clock I was in anxiety, and till 8:30 the traffic was not moving. And I understand that I can in no way catch my flight because at least 1 hour before I should be there in the airport. So I was desperate. Then I started praying to my God. Lord, I am in a desperate position. My guests from abroad were waiting in Hyderabad, and my family is waiting. If I miss the flight, and again tomorrow also daytime no flights are available, only in the evening I have to go, and whole the Christmas will get completed by that time. So kindly help me. Then the Lord spoke to me while I was praying. Do not worry. As you prayed in faith towards me, just go ahead. Whatever time it may take, go ahead. Then I thanked God and I believed in God's words. And at around 8:45, the driver was asking me, "Sir, would you still like to go to airport, or can I drop you back at your office or at home because traffic is not moving?" I said, no, we will go. I have prayed to my Lord and I got inspiration, we will go. Then the driver said okay. After few minutes the traffic got cleared and I reached the airport at 9:40 p.m. My flight was scheduled at 9:20 p.m. I went to the counter and said, kindly issue the boarding pass. They asked, sir, which flight? I gave the itinerary. They said, yes sir. Then I asked, hasn't the flight left because I am already late? The staff smiled and said, you are lucky sir, your flight is delayed by 2.5 hours. It will depart at 11:45 or 12 o'clock in the midnight. So I am issuing the boarding pass. Praise be to God. And usually I never heard during that time Indigo flight was very prompt, never got delayed. Many times I traveled by Indigo flight, but it never got delayed. But only that day I felt God delayed that flight for me, and I happily boarded the flight and reached Hyderabad in time, early hours of the morning. and we celebrated Christmas, praising God who love us so much, who hear us, who has concern for us, and His commandment is love God wholeheartedly, love everyone wholeheartedly. Then the Lord hears all our prayers and answers. Thank you for patient listening. May God bless you all. Glory to God. Anna at His feet.